Hello, grammar enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English language journey. Today, we are diving into another topic, which is 10 different ways to say I like. Let's explore 10 alternatives that will add flair to your expressions. Enjoy. I enjoy hiking. I appreciate. I appreciate your help. I relish. I relish trying new foods. I savor. I savor every bite of chocolate cake. I adore. I adore my pet dog. I treasure. I treasure old family photos. I hold dear. She holds her mother advice dear. I esteem. He is greatly esteemed by his colleagues. I admire. I admire her dedication to work. I fancy. I fancy Italian food.